Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing a common frustration in Excel, how to clear filters when opening a workbook. It's annoying to open a spreadsheet and find it already filtered, especially if you don't know how or why it was filtered in the first place. In this video, we'll cover 3 simple methods to remove those pesky filters and get a clean, unfiltered view of your data. We'll look at * clearing filters from a single column, * removing all filters from the entire worksheet, * and finally, removing the filter functionality altogether. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FixZone for more quick and easy Excel tips. It really helps the channel out.
Now, let's get started.
Screen shows an Excel workbook with filters applied.
****.
Okay, so here we have an Excel workbook with some filters already in place. You can tell by the little filter icons next to the column headers. Method 1. Clearing filters from a single column. First, let's look at how to clear a filter from a single column. This is useful if you only want to see all the data in one particular column. Mouse clicks on the filter icon in a column header.
****.
Click on the filter icon in the header of the column you want to clear. A drop-down menu appears.
****.
In the drop-down menu, you'll see options related to filtering, and right there at the top, you should see Clear Filter From.
Column name.
Mouse clicks on Clear Filter From.
Column name. ****.
Click on that option, and poof, the filter for that column is gone. Easy peasy. Method 2. Removing all filters from the entire worksheet. Alright, now let's say you want to clear all the filters from the entire worksheet. No problem. Excel has a quick way to do this. Mouse moves to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. Go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Mouse clicks on the Data tab. The Data ribbon appears. Look for the Sort and Filter group. Mouse hovers over the Filter button in the Sort and Filter group. You'll see a button labeled Filter. It probably has a funnel icon on it. Mouse clicks on the Filter button. If the Filter button is highlighted, looks like it's pressed in, it means filtering is active. Simply click the Filter button again to turn it off. The filter icons disappear from all column headers. And just like that, all the filters are removed from the entire worksheet. All the data is now visible. Method 3. Removing filter functionality altogether. Okay, last but not least, let's say you don't want to just clear the filters, but you want to remove the entire filter functionality from the worksheet. Maybe you're sharing the file and you don't want anyone to accidentally filter the data. We're still on the Data tab. Again, make sure you are on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon and that you are in the Sort and Filter group. Mouse clicks on the Filter button again. Click the Filter button one more time. What this does is toggle the entire filter feature on and off. So when it's off, those little filter icons won't even be there in the column headers. The filtering functionality is completely disabled. The screen shows the Excel sheet with no filter icons present. And that's it. No more filters, no more icons, just the raw data. Screen shows the same Excel workbook, now completely unfiltered. So there you have it, 3 simple methods for clearing filters when opening a workbook in Excel. Hopefully, this has helped you get a cleaner view of your data and avoid some frustration. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more Excel tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other Excel questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.